Okay, welcome back to Florida Naturally, and we are at the Florida Barge Canal, just south of Inglis, north of Crystal River. We have John Chris here once again with us. Hi, John.
How you doing?
And what's your title here?
I'm the Senior Project Engineer. I represent the Florida Department of Transportation in this construction project.
And tell us what's been going on here so far. We've got a new, partially new bridge anyway.
Well, we've got a brand new bridge that we opened up actually just a week or so ago. We're replacing the old bridge. There's some demo going on right now for the next, probably next month and a half or so. We'll be demolishing the existing bridge, and we'll be getting ready to start the construction of the second bridge to replace the one that's here now.
It's kind of exciting to watch all this demolition going on. What's going to happen to all that material?
Well, right now we've got a lot of the material that's coming off the main spans over the water is being taken out and is being stockpiled now for Citrus County. They're going to be taking it offshore and making it part of their commercial reef program that they have out there. So we're going to be donating, the contractors donating that material to the reef program, so the fishermen should be happy. Well, what we have here is one of the slabs being cut off the existing bridge deck. This is part of the material that will be taken out and put into the Citrus County stockpile, which eventually will make it out into the Gulf and part of their reef program.
It was really amazing to watch a piece of the old bridge, which weighed several tons, being cut free. And then hoisted onto a truck where it was bound for the Gulf to become part of an artificial reef.
Behind me here we have the hammer going, and we're taking down the columns. They hammer away at both sides, and then we're going to take our big 345 and push the columns over so that we can munch them up.
All right, so they're doing the initial weakening right now.
Yeah, similar to when you take down a tree, you weaken the one side to have it fall where you want it to go. We have guide wires hooked up to a dozer so that it'll be pulled in the one direction, and then we will have a 345 on the other side pushing it towards that direction to avoid any safety hazards with 19.
And it should be pretty exciting coming down, right?
Yeah, and it should be pretty soon. It's on its second column right now.
All right, thanks, Rhonda.
Thank you.
Oh, Mike, I'm telling you right now, put it right to her. Put it right to her. Put it right to her. Stop. Nice job, young lady. Nice job.
So this is what, a $37 million project. This is a big deal for Citrus and Levy counties.
Yes, it's a pretty big deal. A little over $37 million. It's a design build type project, which means the contractor is actually the one that designed the bridge. It's a new concept that the Department of Transportation is using, and it's working out pretty well. We've got a bridge that looks very nice up here, and we're spending $37 million to get it.
Well, it's a lovely bridge, and it's got some nice pedestrian slash biking paths on either side. It looks very safe.
It's much safer than the bridge that was here now. As you mentioned, we will have it's a 5-foot sidewalk on each bridge, so that'll be able to separate the pedestrians and the bikers going across. We have two 12-foot travel lanes, and we also have shoulders on each side. So in case you do have a breakdown, you'll be able to get out of traffic, and you won't have to dodge for your life.
All right. Well, thanks, John, for talking to us. And I know you got to get back to work, but doing a good job so far.
All right. I appreciate it. Thanks.
Okay.